This is the Xiaomi MIX Fold 4, a foldable phone that's shockingly thin, yet still manages to pack Leica-grade cameras, wireless charging, and powerhouse performance. But here's the thing, is it actually worth importing and living with, especially if you're in the US? After a solid run with it, I've got the real tea. Product overview. Alright, so what exactly is this beast? The MIX Fold 4 is Xiaomi's latest book-style foldable, launched July 19, 2025. Unlike Samsung's Fold family, Xiaomi brings something different. A seriously slim chassis, top-tier internals, and the Leica co-engineered quad camera system. It's clearly designed for power users, tech enthusiasts, and anyone who wants a tablet-sized screen without lugging around an actual tablet. Performance. Specs-wise, Xiaomi didn't hold back. This thing runs on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip. In daily use, that translates into buttery smooth performance. Whether I was bouncing between productivity apps, editing photos, or gaming, there was almost zero lag. Benchmark tests from UL Solutions back that up. That said, one mild surprise, while the performance is beastly, the software can feel a little niche. Because this model hasn't had an official global launch, a lot of units out there are from China, meaning HyperOS can be tailored more toward that market, which brings in some quirks. Features and tech. Display. The Fold 4's internal screen is a 7.98-inch LTPO AMOLED with 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. That means super smooth scrolling, and it adapts to save battery when you're not doing super intensive stuff. The external screen is 6.56 inches with the same 120 Hz rate. Brightness. Both screens can hit up to 3000 nits peak, which is nuts, super bright for outdoor viewing. Camera system. This is one of the big flexes, a Leica co-engineered quad camera setup, 50mm main, 50mm 2x telephoto, 10mm 5x periscope telephoto, and a 12mm ultra wide. You get real versatility from macro-like shots to decent long-range zoom. Charging. 5100 mAh battery with 67-watt wire charging and 50-watt wireless. Quick top-ups and flexible charging options. Other. It even supports two-way satellite communication for calls and messages, and has IPX8 water resistance. Design and build. Xiaomi leaned hard into premium materials here. The MIX Fold 4 uses a carbon fiber architecture to stay slim. Just 9.47mm when folded and only around 4.6mm when open. For a foldable, that's impressively thin. And it weighs about 226 grams, so holding it unfolded feels more like a book-tablet hybrid than a bulky phone. The side-mounted fingerprint sensor is fast, the hinge feel is solid, and the stereo speakers put out good sound. Design-wise, it nails that premium future gadget feel. But fair warning, because it's so thin and light, you'll want a good case, and good luck finding one made for this, especially import units. Battery life. In real-world use, the battery gets me through a full day if I'm not gaming constantly. With mixed use, calls, web, video, it holds up decently. Faster charging helps a lot when you're low, and I appreciated having wireless charging for topping up more casually. Still, it's not a battery monster. Your mileage depending on how often you're using that big internal screen. Camera performance. Photos are where this thing shines. The main Leica lens takes sharp, vibrant shots. According to Phone Arena, you get great colors, superb contrast, and sharpness. Even macro-like details look solid. The telephoto options are useful. The 2x is natural for portraits, while the 5x periscope gives you decent reach without being gimmicky. Low light is okay, but not class-leading, which is a fair trade given the slim frame. Video goes up to 8K at 24 FPS, which is wild, but more useful for creative experiments than daily use. Pros. Super slim, premium design. Fast Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Strong Leica camera setup. Cons. No US or global model. HyperOS quirks. Final verdict. If you're a tech enthusiast or power user, someone who loves multitasking, video editing, or just wants the flexibility of a tablet on the go, this is a seriously compelling device. Those Leica cameras are no joke, and its thinness makes it feel futuristic in daily use. But, and it's a big but, because Xiaomi hasn't officially launched this globally, you'll likely be importing one. That means you need to be okay with dealing with potential software quirks, warranty limitations, and carrier compatibility. If that doesn't scare you, the MIX Fold 4 could easily be your daily driver meets tablet machine. But if you prefer peace of mind, more mainstream support, or don't want to mess with import logistics, you might be better off sticking with the more established foldable like a Samsung Fold, or waiting for global alternatives. Bottom line, this is one of the most refined foldables you can get your hands on right now. But it's definitely a passion play, not a mainstream play, and you should only import it if you're comfortable with that trade-off.